I forgot one more item. Now we can get started. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Thomas, and today I'm unboxing all of my August, September, or fall pickups from Supreme, Palace, and FTP. We're here on the porch. The coffee is hitting. We got the porch light and then the natural light kind of clashing for supremacy. Without further ado, let's get right into it. If you guys are fans of streetwear content, you like Supreme news, Palace reviews, if you like live streams or unboxing reviews, then subscribe to the channel. Consider becoming a member. Freaking do it. Bet you won't. I bet none of you have the guts to become a member right now. I bet you don't even want those chat icons. You can't even fathom what that would be like. That power flowing through you. Oh, you feel freaking intense, man. But anyway, thanks again for your support. We got some awesome items here today. I am so giddy for especially this big one. And since I'm so giddy about it, we gotta put it down low. Let's start a little small. I ordered this, I think in the end of August is when FTP dropped for the second time this year. Pretty small collection, but they had some cool items. They had those fake Louis Vuitton bags. Go check out Larry's channel. He did an unboxing of that really sick, big FTP bag. I didn't cop anything close to that. I kept it very small, very secure. And let's get into it. Oh, we did get lucky, however, with a nice monogram sticker. Now, the lighting is pretty bad right now in the morning, but we're going to do the close-up review. So if you guys can't see it fully, you will in a little bit. I'll also try to do some color correction. We'll make do. Boom. FTP batting gloves. I love the gun logo right here. Super dope on the faux leather strap. These are a size large. It says, "My blood, my sweat, your tears." Very sick. FTP Death Series is super fun. Man, FTP is really growing on me. I'm glad you guys have been encouraging me to keep copping them. Another sticker right here. It's cheap. It drops a couple times a year. Maybe next time we'll go a little bit harder for the drop. We'll do the full live stream. We'll do the live cop. We'll have to. And then a manila envelope just randomly in here for my second item from this drop. And it is the FTP Corners pin. It's pretty big, actually, considering pin sizes, but it's a body chalk outline. Actually has a double pin right there with a little FTP hang tag on the foot for evidence or whatever they do with that on bodies. That's pretty funny. Love a good FTP drop. Shout out to the population and also fuck them. All right, a lot of you have already seen this, maybe on the live stream. You've seen me talk about it, but here is the Supreme Week 3 cop that I did, plus a couple bonus goodies from weeks after. And the bonus goodie right here is the Martine Rose magazine or zine. The reason I bought this, guys, was because of the charity that it went to. Supreme donated 100% of the profits to a charity that deals with homelessness, addiction, which I think are two of the biggest issues plaguing modern society right now. So I figured all the money I waste on streetwear and clothing for myself, might as well do myself a favor, do the world a favor, and show some love to a charity, whatever. It's a decent little book. It's kind of overpriced, but that's not why I bought it. So I'm happy with this. It'll go on display, and I'll probably rarely flip through it, but it'll be there on my shelf. And then, oh man, if you saw the live cop, you know that I copped these, which are the size 2, which is a 6 through 7.5 men's Nike Crew sock. I am looking to sell these. I will sell them to anyone for retail plus shipping, or even maybe slightly less. If you really need a size 2 Nike Elite sock or a Nike Crew sock from this collab, hit me up. I can't do anything with this. I do have my own size, right? Because I'm considering throwing these on feet and doing a full review. And if I do that, we'll have to do the entire fit. That includes the matching socks. But what good are matching socks without the sneakers? And I guess you could call these more of a clog. Because they are a clog. The clog posit, designed by Drudy Performance. I think these guys are spectacular. They're not everyone's taste. They're gaudy. They're loud. They're in your face. It's like a fucking Ducati flying by you on the highway doing a $150. Not a care in the fucking world for their life or anyone else's, really. But these sneakers are hilarious. I did throw them on briefly just to see how they fit, and they fit true to size. You know, carbon fiber plate right there. The Drudy Performance livery is super sick, or livery inspired upper, and the gradient is wild. I do still think the black ones probably were the move in terms of wearability. These ones are more so just crazy, but the motorsport aspect of these really drew me towards them, and I felt like I couldn't pass them up. Still might just hold on to them and see where the values go. I think this will be one of those sleeper Nike collabs. Could always be wrong, but you never know. So for now, we're keeping these guys on ice unless there's a very Italian reason to wear these. You know what I'm saying? All right, now we're building up to the good stuff. Let's get into Palace's drop from Palace Week 5, I believe. You know the drop. You know the live stream that I did. You know what I tried to cop, but you know what I actually copped. Right here, let's go. Pro tip, you're never actually supposed to cut towards yourself like I just did. I learned that in Boy Scouts. It's a great way to cut yourself. But fuck it, we ball. Receipt. Palace Triferg already peeling off. And bada bing, bada boom, the Pally Rally hat. Now this is going straight to the skull, even though it doesn't match this shirt at all. Shout out to Tyler. But this thing is super sick. And honestly was just my favorite drop from Palace for autumn 2024. You get the Palace tag on the inside. What is that? Skateboards, Palace skateboards. Palace, more than a feeling. Very lightweight trucker hat. Mesh is very nice. It looks low-key kind of small, but it fits the skull almost just barely. I have a big head, so I think 2 buckles in the back right there is good. I know my hair is pretty long, but man, yeah, lightweight hat. This thing feels good. Let's get into the last item. All right, it's probably no secret what this guy is at this point, but we're just going to get into it. First, I want to give a big shout out to Mills from the Fauntleroy's Finest Discord. The homie hooked me up with this piece after it sold out instantly. So shout out to him. Be sure to join the Fauntleroy's Finest Discord. I'm there. We do a podcast on Saturdays, and it's a good time. Was being careful opening that box. All right, what do we got here? What do we got here? Come on. You already know. Of course, another sticker is very nice. We appreciate it. But name of the game is Pally Rally Jacket, blue, size large. Let's get this thing out of the freaking package and get ready to get into close and personal shots. There she blows, folks. We got some silica bags that I'm going to eat later. But before I eat those, look at this jacket, man. Super sick. All the designs on the sleeves, all embroidered. Palace tag right there. I reckon I'll have to take that off just instantly. Ain't no returning this bad boy. Ain't no reselling this bad boy neither. I thought about it like if I had copped it manually because I was not able to hit. If you saw the live cop, I might put a link in the description if you want to. We were very fast. For a Palace drop, we were very fast, but no dice. And this is a size large. So if you guys are looking for sizing, You can use me as an example. I'm 5'11", and I weighed myself yesterday, 153 pounds. I know I've said 160 in the past. I've been 160, but lately I've just been fucking doing a lot of cardio and just eating right. So I've been losing weight. Probably not eating enough, but there's the size, and oh my god, it's perfect. It's perfect. Like, yeah, it's a little baggy, but if I did a medium, it would have been too short because look at the torso. Look at the torso. All right, the black on blue. Don't mind me. But yeah, like I said, maybe the arms you could say are a little bit baggy. I think it looks fine, man. Like in terms of the length of the actual garment is perfect. I think anything smaller would have been just too short. Like the hem is right below my waist, like right below the top of my shorts, which is super nice. Material, extremely comfortable. The canvas on the outside is so nice. The big ass embroidery. You guys know me. I talk a lot about these really sick jackets. I talk a lot about pieces that I'd love to own. So many dropless videos, I'm like, man, I'd love to own that if I had the money. This piece, I actually spent more than I usually do. I had to pay some resale. Mills kept it reasonable, but still, he's got to make money. I get it. It's part of the game. We all have to do our thing. So, in my opinion, though, the reason why I did this is because it's going to be pretty much my only big outer garment of the season. I have plenty of other items I've purchased from the past. And of course, for Supreme, I'm always going to be copping items for the channel. I do intend on reselling some of them, keeping the others. But that's the way I justify it in my head, so I'm not becoming addicted to buying clothes because that is so easy. And I get it. We love this stuff, but I'm super stoked. You know that feeling when you get your new favorite garment and your new favorite piece? You're like, damn, that's the best day of my life. It feels like Christmas, but you're treating yourself. And let's take a look at these items up close and personal, as I always say. Here we go with the Pally Rally jacket. And shout out to those that remember the old screen that was behind me before I got the green screen. Good times. Details are incredible. Palace Plus on the upper right chest. Obviously, the Subaru inspired Rallycross logo with the stars. Palace World Rally Team. Y'all know me. I love my racing inspired designs. Palace right there. We even got a little P on the zipper. Palace on the interior, that quilted material, size large again. Another hit of the Palace logo, which looks super dope. We got E Calip, which is Palace backwards, and then some Chinese characters. I'll have to look those up. If you know them offhand, put them in the chat or in the comment section. And then here we got PSB, Palace Skateboards 2009. Look at that. I love decoding those acronyms in real time. And then basically the same thing on the other sleeve. Very sick piece, nothing on the back. But you don't need it. It'd be too much if it was on the back too. They know when to quit. Sometimes, unlike Supreme, who goes kind of wild, but I'm super stoked to have this piece, guys. You have really no idea. And then there is the hat. Pretty light. I think you can tell this is a very thin cap, which actually does make it kind of athletic, kind of fast. Like the Palace Faster hat that I used to have before selling it was quite thicker, but I still think it's good quality. There's the Palace Skateboards tag, Palace hit right there. I think you could actually wear these together and it wouldn't be too corny. I don't know. We'll have to look at my fit earlier. Is that too much, guys? Should I not do that? Maybe at certain events, if I'm going to a car event, cars and coffee, maybe we can do that. But for casual, we'll have to do them separately, perhaps. But let me know. Palace Plus as well. Pretty dope hat. And then the Triferg stickers, pretty cool. Here's that Martine Rose book, which I think is pretty cool. We got a bunch of Supreme people chilling. Sean Pablo, other folks from Martine Rose. Now more than ever, it's basically additional pictures that didn't make it into the lookbook. So I wonder how long they had to actually make this. We got the towel sweatshirt, and it's got a light pink color to it. As you can probably tell, the color isn't terrible. It's getting kind of hard to flip through this. And there you go. It's pretty simple. And money went to charity, and it's already gotten a little bit dirty, so I'll have to clean that up, but it's a magazine, so I don't really care that much. All right, then we get the clog posits. Again, I need to sell these socks. So if you know anyone that is a size 7 through 6, does have a 3M hit right there. You can see by the flash, shining bright. Here are the clog posits, Drury Performance, the carbon fiber, Supreme hits, the red, white, and greens. Official colorway is white, gym green. I don't know why red doesn't appear on the colorways, but that happens quite frequently. We will see. I know I have a Max Verstappen flag right here. People have commented on it. I'm a Lando Norris fan. I'm a McLaren fan. I was a fan of Max when I first got into the sport because I wanted to see someone beat Lewis Hamilton, and my dad got me this flag when Max won. I was a pretty big Max fan in 2021, but I've always kind of rooted for Lando, patiently waiting for his day because I love the fact that he's a gamer. I love his quantum team, and I love his driving style. So seeing him beat Max this weekend at Singapore, 2 thumbs up. All right. Here are the FTP batting gloves. And you can see like the MLG gun logo, which is pretty cool. I'm kind of uncertain if I want to keep these or resell them. I'll have to look at the prices. I don't really know what I would do with FTP batting gloves. To be honest, I really wanted to buy the leaked pictures of the boxing wraps that they had to wear for obviously boxing, and they didn't drop those. So I kind of impulsively copped these along with the corners pin just so I could have something to get, because I went live on my mobile device on my phone. So we had a little impromptu casual stream, which was kind of fun. Yeah, corners pin, pretty big. Like the size of my hand. There's a sticker. It's a not small pin. FTP monogram. And then we got this little sticker right here with the little, yeah, it's a pretty dark image of the F committing unalive in Minecraft. But yes, hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It's always a pleasure bringing y'all unboxing content. If you want to see more unboxing chaos, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, let me know that you'd like to see more of it. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace and Buckies. See ya.